aini na Kikuyu celebrities matiganite nimarikitie gushare na kumbura how their sons and daughters have performed in the recently released Kcpe results cia kungwira muno ni mafans ao makiyumiria in large numbers celebrating these young girls and boys aria now aciari ao marigwa me very proud for them having completed school class 8 and also coming out with a wonderful performance. Umwe wao ari Sir James uria kungwira tumahatha twake akiuga 398 marks is great for the twins. I'm a happy parent. Gaino wagenia rigi ona ginya PK Kairîtu onake agikongwira Kairîtu gake akiuga congratulations my daughter, 307 marks, thanks Kamo school, to God be the glory. Onake Simon Mwangi Muthiora onake agikongwira kamwana gake akiuga we celebrate all seasons, congratulations Muthiora Junior for exemplary performance. You have made us proud. 380 marks is a sure ticket to a national school. Your grandpa must be smiling. Other maikungwira wonderful performances from their kids. Na Kairîtu gakorwo gaikungwiro muno ni a Kenya o maikiuga magaini wa magegania ni Kairîtu ka the late Muhiko Nebster karia through Njeri wa Muigai uria wakorwo akiumbura ndeto ici onake aremetwo kuitha gikeno giake na agikungwira uhotani uyu. Njeri ariwe wakorwo akiumbura how Muhiko Nebster's daughter performed na she has taken to her Facebook page kuria akorwo agikenia mafans muno akimaumbulira ati Muhiko Nebster's daughter gegwitwo Bernice Wangeshi Muhiko has passed in the Kcpe exams na akiumbura ati she has scored over 300 marks. Jerry couldn't hide her joy as she said, "Help me congratulate my wonderful girl who scored above 300 marks even with all the distress. Congratulations Bernice Wangeshi Muhiko, you are blessed and your future is great my baby girl, all the glory to God." Njeri wa Muigai akiuga ma thengia wa ukorwo ati Kairîtu gaka ni hindi kararuzire baba wao na gukorwo kagereire ruo ruu ruothe na moritu macio mothe, she has emerged victorious in her Kcpe na she couldn't hide her joy as she shared the wonderful news with her fans and Kenyans aria onao makorwo magikungwira uhotani uyu muno na maikiuga ma indeed Muhiko is smiling from heaven na maikiuga ni makena muno also ni kuona how Njeri continues to support these girls. And from us too, a big congratulations kuri Bernice Wangeshi Muhiko and also to PK Kairîtu's daughter onaginya kamwana ga Simon Mwangi Muthiora na tumahatha twa Sir James Kenya. Na ndugakiriganirwo subscribe for the latest and trending Kikuyu celebrity news. Never miss an update. Subscribe now.